guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this very important video we're gonna understanding what is candlesticks. So before moving forward, if you have ever seen charts in your life, then you will see that there is a red or green candles which is also called bars. So they are actually showing where the price is going, and the actual current price is also the chart is given, right? So what I'm trying to saying is, if you were going any kind of trading software, or if you have demat account, then if you open the chart sections actually, then you will find some random bars which represents the X line is represents the timeline, and the Y line represents the prices, right? So I will explain to you all the basics to advance of the charts in the upcoming videos. So make sure that you stay with us. So in this very short video, we'll understand that what is candlesticks theoretically, but not practically. We'll understand it theoretically. So let's get started. So a candlesticks is a graphical representations of a security's price movement over a specific period. So the candlesticks is formed by actually the charts is formed by so many candlesticks. So the candlesticks could be 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, even 1 hour, even 6 month and 1 year also. So the candlesticks, how you approach it is most important. So if you are a trader who is gonna trade into the market for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes, so you don't have any kind of work with a 6 month chart, 6 month candles chart, right? You will notice at max 4 year, sorry, at max 4 hour, at max 1 hour chart time frames. Okay, so you will generally use 15 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 3 minute, that kind of charts. So that is most important. So let's moving forward. Each candlestick shows of four important prices. So if I will try to explain you that what is chart actually, then before understanding chart, you have to understand the basics of candles. So this is how the candle is actually look like, and here you will see some kind of a wick. So that is called a wick. This is also called a wick, and this is also called a wick, and this is called a body, right? So that is called a high, that is called a open position. If the candle is red, if the candle is red, right? So we'll understand it in the next upcoming videos. So that is called the high, that is called the open price, and that is called the low price. And open, high, low, that is called the close price, and that is called the low price. Okay, so price, it shows that the price is going there once a time. So but it cannot last forever, and it again goes back to there. So that is a open price, that is a close price, that is a lower price, and that is a higher price. That is also called a OHCL. OHCL, open, high, low, close, right? So the body represents the difference between the opening and closing prices, while the wicks or shadows show the highest or lowest prices reached during that period. So if you are seeing a 5 minute chart, so if you see uh, a week in that 5 minute chart, so that represents that the price is reaches there once a time, but it cannot last. A green candle indicates the price closer higher than it opened. That is called a bullish. If the price is going up, so that is called a bullish movement. And if the price is going down, that is called a bearish movement, right? And lower candlesticks charts help traders analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. So now understand that the two types of, okay, let me remove all of these things and we'll understand now. Let me also pick up this and let's choose red. So understand, okay, if this is a candle, which we can see that this is a red candle, okay, this is called as a wick. That means price is going here once a time and price goes down here from once a time. So that is a open price, that is a close price, that is a higher level, that is a higher level, and that is represents a lower level, right? And similarly, if we choose a green color, then this is a green candle, right? This is also called a wick. So for the green candle, this is a green candle, right? So for the green candle, price is open from here, here open and closes here. And similarly, this is a lower sign and this is a higher positions, right? Understand it that when the green candle actually forms, price is open from the bottom and close in the top. But the vice versa is happening for the red candle. When the red candle um, is actually formed, the open price is top, the open price is topper than the close price. So if the price is actually running, right? So this is the open price. If the price is going up, and let's take an example of that price is closed is somewhere near here, right? This is a completely weak. Okay, so that becomes a open positions and that becomes a closed positions. So that formed a green candle, right? But for this candle, it is not happening. For this candle, it is not actually happening, right? So if I will try to explain you, let's choose this pen. So if that is a candle, if that is a candle, which is a green candle, bear with me, bear with me, bear with me, which is a green candle, right? So for the green candle, ask me, for the green candle, tell me in the comment sections that where is the close price of the green candle. This is open price, this is a close price, this is a lower price, and this is a higher price, right? But if the candle is not going upward, if let's take an example of uh, candle is closed in a downside, right? So if I will choose a red color, then this is the open price of the candle, right? So let's make a long wick. And if the price is going down near there, so that as we know that this is a open positions will be not change, but the close positions will change. That becomes a close positions and that becomes a red candle for us, right? So that is how it's actually formed. So from the open positions, if price is going up, so that becomes a green candle for us. And from the open position, similarly, if the price is going down, that becomes a that becomes a close positions. the close positions will be in the bottom, and that becomes a red candle for us. I hope you get it, and I am trying to explain to you that the basics of candlesticks. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment sections. I will definitely try to answer them, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.